Assalamu alaikum students. Our topic is climatic regions of the world. Our world is divided into 6 climatic regions. Number 1, the equatorial region. First of all, we will study climate. Being closer to the equator, this region is comparatively more exposed to the evaporative activity. Hence, the winds become humid. When the humid winds rise up due to the low pressure, they become cold and cause rains. Next comes the vegetation. Due to excessive rains in this region, evergreen forests are found everywhere. Dense growth of forests obstructs the light of the sun from reaching the ground below, resulting in darkness and dampness. Vegetation comes the animal life. A variety of animals are found in this region, especially monkeys, birds, scorpion, crocodiles, and many more like elephants, etc.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No.
Agriculture, the main crops of this region are coca, bananas, rice, sugarcane, etc.
Waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
This region is generally poor in the mineral resources, but some minerals are found like nickel, coal, copper, zinc, etc.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Thank you for watching this video. Keep visiting the channel. We will discuss the next topic in next video.